Wondered what truly makes a connection between partners unforgettable? It's not just the physical aspects, but the deeper understanding of each other's desires and needs. Today, we're diving into the art of intimate connection and exploring 5 key positions that can enhance your partner's pleasure and strengthen your bond. Welcome, warriors of the spirit. We delve into the art of cultivating inner strength and unbreakable determination. We face life's challenges with courage and resilience, always seeking to overcome our limitations and reach new heights. Today, we'll explore how to bring that same strength and dedication into the bedroom, ensuring that both partners enjoy themselves and reach their maximum potential. Let's start with a simple yet powerful question. How can you ensure your partner enjoys every intimate moment with you? One of the most intimate and satisfying positions is spooning in this position. Both partners lie on their sides with the man behind the woman. This allows for close contact, enabling you to stimulate the G-spot while also having easy access to the clitoris. This dual stimulation can significantly enhance your partner's pleasure and bring you both closer. Next, let's explore 5 positions that are favorites of many where weakness has no place. Resolve is forged and willpower becomes indestructible. Prepare to be inspired, motivated, and challenged to reach your maximum potential. Women with a lot of butts usually have small breasts, and women with large breasts have small butts. Redhead women are more likely to have frequent sexual relations. One of the best possessions to stimulate a girl's G-spot is spooning. The lower wall of the vagina has many nerve endings, and in this position, the penis will be in close contact with it. Additionally, you can stimulate the clitoris and the G-spot doggy style. A recent survey by experts in the field indicated that this position where the woman gets on all fours, while the man penetrates her vaginally from behind holding her by the hips, is the favorite among most English people aged 35 to 44. It is a great position for the woman as it allows her optimal control, enabling her to adjust her range of movement to find the angle that gives her the most pleasure. 8 out of 10 women like to be insulted and insult their partner during sex. According to them, it excites them too much and makes the activity more thrilling. Some women are born with a smaller vagina or simply without one. This phenomenon affects 1 in 5,000 people. Having sex standing up can help you last longer and make your girl come faster. A woman can reach orgasm in just 4 minutes of good work, but may take 20 minutes during intercourse with luck. Women who always give at are the ones being unfaithful to their partners. Before we dive deeper into these transformative positions, we want to take a moment to connect with you. If you're finding value in this content and want to empower your intimate connections, please take a second to like this video. Your support helps me create more free content like this. Also, I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Drop a comment below with any questions or insights you have about enhancing intimacy in your relationships. Let's create a community where we can learn and grow together. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Our dream is to reach 1,000 subscribers, and with your support, we can reach this milestone together. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on all our latest content, helping you cultivate inner strength and deeper connections in every aspect of your life. Thank you for being part of this journey. One of the benefits of knowing your partner's weak points is that it allows you to explore new forms of stimulation that can lead to quicker and stronger ejaculation. Every person is unique in terms of preferences and sensitivities, so understanding what works best for your girl can make a significant difference in her sexual satisfaction. Additionally, knowing your partner's weak points can help strengthen the emotional connection and intimacy between you. Open and honest communication about likes and dislikes in the bedroom can deepen trust and the bond between you, leading to greater satisfaction by knowing your girl's weak points. You can also show your attention and care for her pleasure. Showing interest in her sexual satisfaction and being willing to explore new forms of stimulation can make her feel valued and loved, which can increase her desire and excitement. Men feel greater sexual arousal when they wake up in the morning after fingers and vibrators. Candles are the most frequently used phallic objects by women. The most common fantasy among girls under 25 is oral sex. Missionary, although it sounds a bit standard according to various international studies, is the most practiced sexual position among heterosexual couples worldwide. It seems it's not just for comfort. According to a Recess Essence survey conducted in the United Kingdom, women like this position because of the closeness and intimacy it implies, and because they feel their partner's body covering theirs, not crushing them. The best part is that sexology experts also classify the missionary as one of the best positions for women to reach orgasm as long as it is practiced with the aim of being as diagonal as possible to maximize clitoral stimulation. Women with problems. Feeling orgasms have shorter clitorises than average. making them further from the vaginal opening and harder to stimulate during penetrative sex. After 50, some men experience changes in their sexuality and believe good sex is over. But this is not entirely true. With the right information and creativity, these thoughts disappear. The cougar position, where the woman is on top of the man, allows women to have greater control of their orgasms. The woman can move as fast or slow as she likes and control the depth of penetration. The woman being on top also gives her easy access to her clitoris, which she can stimulate with her hands or by adopting an ideal friction angle against the man's body to reach orgasm more easily. This position gives most of the prominence to the woman, giving her the freedom to set the pace. The man has direct access to caress her breasts, which helps to excite another female erogenous zone. 80% of women do not marry the one they love, but the man who's truly ready. Hence the reason for unhappy marriages before anal sex. A good tip is to keep the area clean. It can be washed with water and neutral soap, and the intestines can be emptied with an enema. A woman's sexual drive is more easily altered than a man's. Girls who have sex at least once a week look happier, more feminine, and especially more beautiful. Women, on average, are attracted to older men as it subconsciously communicates to them a sense of experience and stability. The alignment technique is one of the positions for women to reach orgasm faster with intense clitoral stimulation. To put it into practice, think of the classic missionary position, but with a variation that will undoubtedly make a difference. The woman should keep her legs together while the man should have his apart. This achieves greater pressure during penetration and more physical contact for the woman. It also stimulates the man's penis, providing her with great pleasure and making it much easier for her to reach climax to enhance his sensations. Nothing is better than Themen pressing the woman's hips against him. When a woman is attracted to a man, she moistens her lips with her tongue to make them shinier and more attractive. Women who always perform oral sex are the ones being unfaithful to their partner because they have the habit of wanting to see another man excited by their actions. Life is full of mysteries and secrets.